Welcome to our session on generative AI or GenAI. Today, we're going to explore what this transformative technology truly can and cannot do. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, GenAI has emerged as a powerful force capable of creating new content, from text and images to code and music. However, with great power comes the need for clear understanding. Our goal is to demystify GenAI, moving beyond the hype to grasp its real potential, and just as importantly, its inherent limitations. This knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to leverage AI effectively, whether you're a business leader strategizing for the future, a marketer crafting compelling campaigns, or a tech enthusiast eager to innovate. By the end of this session, you'll have a clearer picture of how to harness GenAI's capabilities responsibly and strategically. Understanding GenAI's true nature is not just academic, it's a strategic imperative. While GenAI appears incredibly powerful, it operates within very real boundaries. Misunderstanding these limits can lead to significant pitfalls. You might misuse the technology, over-rely on it for tasks it's not suited for, or even introduce unforeseen risks into your operations. Imagine building a critical business process on a foundation that isn't as robust as you believe. That's why setting realistic expectations is paramount. When you know what GenAI excels at and where it falls short, you can deploy it more effectively, achieve better results, and avoid costly mistakes. This session will equip you with the insights needed to navigate the GenAI landscape with confidence and precision, ensuring your investments and efforts yield tangible, positive outcomes. Let's begin by highlighting what generative AI does exceptionally well. At its core, GenAI is a content creation engine. It excels at text generation, effortlessly producing essays, stories, marketing copy, and even complex reports on demand. Need an original image or visual for a campaign? GenAI can handle image generation, transforming simple text descriptions into stunning artwork and designs. For developers, code completion is a game changer, as GenAI suggests and writes programming code across various languages, significantly speeding up development. Language translation is another strong suit, accurately converting text between hundreds of languages, breaking down communication barriers. Finally, GenAI is adept at personalization, tailoring content to specific audiences and individual preferences, enhancing user engagement and relevance across various platforms. Our first key strength of GenAI lies in natural language processing, or NLP. This capability enables AI to understand and generate human language in ways that feel remarkably natural and contextually appropriate. Think of it as the AI's ability to speak and listen. NLP allows GenAI to summarize lengthy documents, write compelling narratives, engage in dynamic chat conversations, and explain complex topics in simple terms. This power is evident in applications like sophisticated chatbots that provide instant customer support, tools for automated content creation that can draft articles or social media posts, and educational platforms that offer personalized learning experiences. NLP is fundamental to how we interact with AI, making it an intuitive and powerful assistant for a wide range of communication-intensive tasks. The second major strength of GenAI is its prowess in image and design generation. Tools leveraging this capability can create entirely new visuals from simple text prompts, transforming your ideas into stunning graphics. Imagine describing a scene or an object, and the AI instantly generates multiple unique interpretations. This goes beyond simple editing. It's about true creation. From generating original artwork for marketing campaigns to designing product mock-ups, or even creating unique textures and patterns, GenAI can dramatically accelerate creative workflows. It empowers designers, marketers, and even individuals with limited artistic skills to produce high-quality, custom visuals quickly and efficiently, opening up new possibilities for visual communication and branding. Our third significant strength for GenAI is its utility as a coding assistant. These AI tools can dramatically accelerate development workflows by suggesting code completions, detecting potential bugs, and even explaining complex syntax. For developers, especially those new to a language or framework, this means less time spent on tedious tasks and more time focusing on innovative solutions. AI coding assistants can help write boilerplate code, refactor existing code for efficiency, and even translate code between different programming languages. This capability not only speeds up the development process but also helps maintain code quality and consistency, making it an invaluable asset for engineering teams looking to boost productivity and streamline their software development lifecycle. Now let's shift our focus to the crucial limitations of GenAI that you must be aware of. First, GenAI doesn't understand like a human. It's a sophisticated pattern predictor, lacking true comprehension or consciousness. Second, it's prone to hallucinations, meaning it can confidently generate false or made-up information. Third, GenAI often exhibits embedded biases, reflecting the biases present in its training data. Fourth, it struggles with complex logic and reasoning, often failing at problems requiring deep causal understanding. Fifth, it needs clear prompts. Vague instructions lead to poor results. Sixth, GenAI has a knowledge cutoff, meaning it lacks real-time information beyond its last training update. Finally, there are privacy and security risks, as data shared with AI might be stored or used for future training. Let's delve deeper into one of the most critical limitations: AI hallucinations. What exactly are they? Simply put, AI hallucinations are confidently wrong or entirely made-up answers that the AI presents as factual. The AI generates these fabrications because it's designed to predict the next most plausible word or sequence based on its training data, not to verify truth. For example, an AI might confidently state, according to a 2022 study in the Journal of Medical Science by Dr. Smith et al., coffee consumption reduces cancer risk by 37%. The problem is, this study and statistic may not exist at all. These hallucinations can be incredibly convincing, making it essential for users to always verify information, especially when accuracy is paramount. Considering both its strengths and limitations, where does GenAI work well today? It excels in customer support chatbots, handling routine inquiries and providing 24/7 assistance, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. It's highly effective for email generation, drafting professional correspondence and responses quickly. In education, GenAI can act as an edtech tutor, offering personalized learning assistance and explanations. For marketers, it's a powerful tool for drafting marketing copy, creating engaging content for campaigns and social media. And as we discussed, it's invaluable for helping with code and documentation, accelerating development and improving technical writing. These are areas where GenAI can provide significant, immediate value. Conversely, there are critical areas where you absolutely should not rely on GenAI, at least not yet. First, never use it for legal or medical advice. AI lacks professional credentials, ethical judgment, and the nuanced understanding required, potentially providing dangerous misinformation. Second, avoid using it for fact-checking sensitive content without human oversight. AI cannot reliably verify information without external sources and is prone to hallucinating facts. Third, do not use it for autonomous decision-making in high-stakes scenarios. AI lacks ethical judgment and contextual understanding, which are vital for critical decisions. Finally, never use AI for high-stakes tasks without thorough human review. AI should never be the final authority on matters with significant consequences, as its errors can be costly or even catastrophic. Let's bust some common GenAI myths. Myth number 1. GenAI is sentient. The truth is, no, it's not. It's a sophisticated pattern prediction machine, not a conscious entity. It doesn't think or feel in any human sense. Myth number 2. It's always right. Absolutely not. As we've discussed, GenAI makes confident mistakes, often hallucinating information. Always verify its outputs. Myth number 3. It will replace all jobs. This is a common fear, but the reality is more nuanced. GenAI changes tasks within jobs, rather than eliminating entire roles. It automates repetitive work, allowing humans to focus on higher value, more creative and strategic activities. Understanding these truths helps us approach GenAI with realistic expectations and leverage it effectively. To ensure you're using GenAI effectively and responsibly, here are some key do's and don'ts. First, always do verify outputs. Never take GenAI's responses at face value, especially for critical information. Second, do use it as a co-creator. Think of GenAI as a powerful assistant that can generate drafts, brainstorm ideas, or automate tedious tasks, but the final creative and strategic decisions remain yours. Third, do stay aware of its limitations, constantly reminding yourself of its propensity for hallucinations and biases. On the don'ts side, don't share confidential information with GenAI, as your data might be stored or used for training. Don't trust blindly. Always apply critical thinking. And finally, don't use it for high-risk applications without rigorous human review and oversight. So, what's the key takeaway from our discussion today? It's simple yet profound. Use GenAI as a smart assistant, not a magic wand. It's a powerful tool that can augment human capabilities, automate tasks, and unlock new efficiencies. However, it is not infallible, nor is it a substitute for human judgment, creativity, or ethical reasoning. Understanding the true capabilities and, crucially, the inherent limitations of generative AI is the foundation for more effective and responsible use. When approached with this balanced perspective, GenAI can indeed be a transformative force, helping you achieve more, innovate faster, and navigate the complexities of the modern business and technological landscape with greater confidence. To wrap up, let's consider a final thought-provoking question. What do you think GenAI can't do yet? Can it write a full novel independently, creating a coherent and compelling narrative with consistent characters and plot? Can it provide legal advice, given its lack of credentials, judgment, and up-to-date legal knowledge? Can it truly understand human emotions? Or does it merely simulate emotional responses without genuine comprehension or experience? The answer for now is all of the above. GenAI cannot reliably perform any of these tasks without significant human oversight and intervention. This highlights the ongoing need for human expertise, critical thinking, and ethical guidance in leveraging these powerful, yet still developing AI technologies.